Well, you know the saying, there's three sides to every story, and such is the case with the homicide investigation of Quandrell Williams in Newport News.
There's the criminal investigation, the city's mishandling, and somewhere in between all of it, the truth. I've been following this case since 2023, and I was the only journalist at the murder trial, a major turning point in the case. It's a follow-up you'll see only on 10. 10 on Your Side uncovered the shortcomings of first responders when Quandrell Williams was shot and declared dead on arrival. Williams laid on this porch alive for close to 40 minutes with a gunshot wound to his head before he was transported to Riverside Regional Medical Center. He died 10 days later. Newport News Fire Chief Wesley Rogers and Police Chief Steve Drew sat down with us after 2 firefighters were let go following an investigation into the incident.
When medics responded and they found Mr. Williams, they declared Mr. Williams deceased. After some time of being on the incident, they realized that Mr. Williams was not deceased.
After helping bring to light the delay in care by first responders, including senior firefighter Stephen Truckenmiller, Quandrell's family and their attorney stopped responding. It made us wonder if a settlement had been reached, and that's what led us to FOIA any documents that could confirm a settlement happened. After paying a good chunk of change to the city for the FOIA, we were denied access to all 694 pages of relevant documents. Specifically, documents shared with Quandrell's family about a possible wrongful death settlement done behind closed doors with the city's insurance policy. The denial explanation also showed documents existed that were created by the city attorney's office about an incident that happened October 15th, 2023, with the administrator of Quandrell's estate. Documents show that administrator is Quandrell's mom, Leanna Murphy. So yesterday, we asked her, can you speak to any type of settlement with the city for how the investigation was handled after that?
No, I can't.
But she did speak to her feelings after the suspect in her son's murder case, Lakavious Charity, was convicted of voluntary manslaughter yesterday.
There are justice done, and so we are grateful for that. And it will be some more justice done.
Charity took the stand in the jury trial saying he acted in self-defense, only shooting Quandrell after he tried to break into the home where he was staying with 2 other women. But the prosecutor argued there was no threat because Quandrell never had a gun on him.
We're gonna move forward. That's all we got to heal. To heal and God to get us through it.
And we dug through court wreckage yesterday, and we couldn't find any of those withheld documents, so we may never know what happened with the family regarding the possible settlement. Their lips are sealed, and city officials aren't saying a word. If there was a non-disclosure clause, legally, they couldn't talk about it. So is the case closed? You decide. If it's not, of course, you can count on us to keep you updated.